Are you wondering what's the recipe for business development success? Then stay tuned because we asked senior business development pros to share the best piece of advice for junior business developers who want to break through in our career. And we collected the top 20 in this video today. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our weekly BD hacks to improve your career. Alright, let's get started. Tip number 1, stay humble. Sometimes success in business development can come very quickly, and that can easily get in your head. Don't let that happen so you don't jeopardize your progress and, most importantly, your work relationships. Tip number 2, know your worth. In the same way as you should stay humble, you should also know your value in the company. Make sure that you know your strengths and you make use of them, and make sure that other people also realize your value. Tip number 3, stay curious. Try to learn something new every day, keep an inquisitive mind, ask a lot of questions, and make sure that you stay curious throughout your business development career. Tip number 4, remember that communication is key. Make sure that you improve your communication skills and you become a great communicator. This is going to help you connect with your colleagues and customers alike, and that's a great tip for success. Tip number 5, listen more than you talk. When you ask a lot of questions and then you attentively listen to what the other person is saying, you're going to gather a lot of information that you can use in your job, and that's going to help you become more successful faster. Tip number 6, don't be afraid of asking questions. Of course, if you want to listen attentively to what the other person is saying, you first need to ask the right questions. Besides, if you ask a lot of questions to your managers and colleagues, you're going to come across as someone that is eager to learn and improve. So don't underestimate the power of questioning skills. Tip number 7, get used to hearing no. In business development, you will face a lot of rejections from potential partners, clients, and sometimes your managers. Maybe they don't understand the point of executing on some of your ideas, and that can get you really frustrated. Just remember that rejection is part of business development, so just get used to it so that you can move faster with your career. Tip number 8, remember that failure is part of success. In business development, you will fail a lot, and that's just the way it is. So get used to it and always remember that you cannot achieve success if you don't fail many times before. Tip number 9, practice patience. Business development is a long-term game, and it's really made of trial and error. So make sure to give people and things the time they need to bring the results you want. Tip number 10, never say never. Business development is all about finding opportunities. So don't make the mistakes of closing the doors before time or just trusting your current beliefs on things that might happen in the future. Keep open doors because you never know when the next opportunity is going to come your way. Tip number 11, work harder. Don't let success make you feel comfortable and feel that you arrived to your destination. Keep improving yourself, keep learning, and keep working hard. You want to make sure that you are every day a better version of yourself. Tip number 12, don't stress too much. Sometimes stress can be a positive way to keep yourself motivated and keep doing more, but don't let stress reach levels which are harmful to you. Take care of yourself and remember to relax and enjoy your work. Tip number 13, be ambitious. Ambition can make all the difference between an average and an excellent business developer. So don't resize your dreams and go for what you really want. Tip number 14, never stop learning. That's really what can make the huge difference between you and your peers, so make sure that you read books, watch videos, and keep learning and expanding your mind. Tip number 15, build long-lasting relationships. Business development is all about interpersonal relationships, so focus on building a good network because you never know when you're going to need the right connection. Tip number 16, know your end goal. Make sure that you know exactly why you're doing what you're doing and keep reminding it yourself whenever you feel down or you feel demotivated. Tip 17, don't trust quick success. Sometimes results can get really fast, and maybe you're working in a new company and after 2 weeks you close the biggest deal. That might have come for many different reasons, including luck. So don't get over your head, don't think you want to quit your job or maybe ask for a promotion when it's not the right time. Being a good business development professional means being consistent in your results, so give yourself time. Tip number 18, motivate yourself daily. Business development can be a very challenging career, we all know that, so find something that keeps you motivating on a long run and that can really help you get through the day whenever you feel down. Tip 19, do what you love and love what you do. Life is too short to work in a job that doesn't make you passionate. So choose your job carefully and remember to put your passions first so you can enjoy more of what you do. Last, tip number 20, master your role and opportunities will follow. To be successful in business development, you need to focus on becoming better and better every day. So prioritize continuous learning and opportunities will follow much faster than you think. Alright everyone, these were the top 20 tips for business development success given by senior business development professionals. I hope you gained some perspective and some motivation to get through the day today. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our weekly BD hacks to improve your career. Alright, have a great day and see you next week.